verse 12 hanggang 17. Okay, yung po verse 1 hanggang 11, assignment ko po yan. Pag-uwi nyo sa dorm nyo, basahin ko po yan. Yung babasahin lang po natin ay yung verse 12. Pero para bigyan ko yun ng background, ang background mo yan, nagkaroon ko kasi ng kung saan ko inopen ng clean fasting ay inalis sa kanyang posisyon bilang queen ng kingdom. Okay, at nagkaroon ko ng tinatawag na Miss World, Miss Universe, nagamit ng ngayon ng queen sa kingdom. Sa verse 12, sabi po nito, okay, sabay-sabay po natin basahin. 1, 2, 3. Before, okay, 1, 2, 3, verse 12. Before Agar's time came to go in the king's services, she had to complete 12 months of beauty treatments prescribed for the women, 6 months with oil of myrrh, and 6 with perfumes and cosmetics. And this is how she would go to the king. Anything she wanted was given her to take with her from the harem to the king's palace. In the evening, she would go there, and in the morning, return to another part of the harem, to the cave of Shastas. The king's eunuch, who was in charge of the concubines, she would not return to the king unless he was pleased with her and summoned her by name. So verse 15, when the time came for Esther, the girl Mordecai had adopted, the daughter of his uncle Abigail, to go to the king, she asked for